Good morning, friends. It's Mrs. Robertson. I am so excited to see you because today we're learning about the letter Q. But before we start, we have a few things to do. We need to first start by giving me 5. When you give me 5, your legs are still, your hands are still in a basket, your eyes are watching, your ears are listening, and your lips are zipped. So the letter Q is a funny letter because it makes a crazy sound. It makes the sound qua. That's almost like a longish sound. It's a lot longer than a sound like b or k, qua. They say it takes our mouth a little longer to say it. So let me show you how to make the sign for Q. You're going to put your hands up. Take 1, 2, 3 fingers and put them down so you have an L. But we're not making an L, we're making a Q. So squeeze it in a little bit, make it down. So this is what Q looks like. Now we're gonna make our Q sound together. Put your hand up and say qua. One more time, do it with me, qua. Let's do it again. Ready? You're doing a really good job. Do it one more time, qua. If you're having trouble making the Q, that's okay. You can even just do this when we make the sound. Let's try it one more time. Put your hand up, 3 fingers down, make an L. Now squeeze it in just a little bit. And now let's make our qua. Ready? Qua. One more time, qua. Good job. So Q says qua, like we hear in the word qua, qua. Queen. I have behind me a quilt. Do you have any quilts in your house? A quilt is a beautiful blanket that has lots of different pieces of fabric all sewn together to make a design. The design on my quilt has cars and ships and trucks and stars and squares all over. So that's my quilt. So maybe you might have a quilt at your house. All right, let's wake up Magic Pencil. Everyone say, good morning, Magic Pencil. All right, let's have Magic Pencil go up and down, side to side, back and forth, and around, and we're ready to go with Magic Pencil. Remember, this is your ceiling, and this is your floor. We're not gonna make it too big, our paper today. We're gonna have ceiling and floor. But before we start, I want to show you what a Q looks like. Uppercase Q is just a circle like the letter O, except you give it a little tail. See? Here it is. So circle and a tail. So let's try it together. Get your Magic Pencil out ready. I'll start at the ceiling. Go around, touch the floor, come back to where you started. Now come over here towards the middle of your O, give it a line. I'm going to show you one here so that you can see what you're doing with your Magic Pencil. Ready? So I'm going to make the O just like I normally do. And then I'm going to come to the middle and make a tail. Let's do it again with our Magic Pencil. We'll do our boards in just a minute. Just wait. Okay, ready? Put your pencil at the ceiling. You're going to come all the way down and around. Come to the middle and give it a tail to the floor. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Get your pencil up at the ceiling. Make your O. Touch the floor. Come back around to the top. Come to the middle. Give it a tail down to the floor. Well done. Good job. Now let's do lowercase q. Lowercase q has, here it is, just like on my board. We have a magic C. We helicopter up. We're going to submarine way down below the line, just like we did with letter P, except letter P doesn't have a magic C. Letter P looks like this without the tail. We're flipping it. Magic C, helicopter up, just like we're making an A. Then submarine way down, and we're giving it a loop. If I was making a G, it would look like this with a loop at the bottom, the swoosh at the bottom. But instead, I'm making a Q, and my swoosh goes this way. Let's do it. Are you ready? You're going to put your pencil in the middle of your paper for Magic C. Ready? Magic C, helicopter up, submarine way down, and give it a swoosh. Ready? One more time. Magic C, helicopter up, submarine way down, and give it a swoosh. Very nice. We don't want to go too far down when we submarine down, but we want to make sure we give it a little swoosh at the bottom so we remember that it's a Q. Remember? It almost feels like a swoosh when we're making the sound together. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Magic C, helicopter up, submarine way down to make the Q. You guys did such a nice job. Now it's time for us to write the letter Q on our dry erase boards. If you don't have your board, pause the video and you can go get it. I will wait for you. Are you ready to start? Here we go. Put your cap on the back of your pen. We're going to start with uppercase Q. Start at the ceiling. Make your circle all the way around for letter O. Come back to where you started. Come towards the middle. Make a small tail out for letter Q. If you're having trouble, pause the video. Ask Mommy and Daddy to help you. It's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. I'll be waiting for you. Are you ready for lowercase q? Here we go. Ready? Magic C, helicopter up, submarine way down, and give it a little swoosh. I'm going to show it one more time. Actually, I'll show it this time on my big board. Ready? Magic C, helicopter up, submarine way down with a swoosh. I'm going to do it again because it can be a little tricky. Ready? Magic C, there's my C, helicopter up, just like you're making the letter A. I know you can do that. Submarine way down below the line. Give it a swoosh. Good job. Hold your board up. Did you do the Q's the right way? If not, take a moment and pause the video. Have Mommy and Daddy help you do it the right way, and then we'll continue on. I'm going to erase my board. You can erase yours too, and let's do it one more time together. Ready, friends? Okay, we're going to do uppercase Q. It's just an O with a tail. Ready? Start at the ceiling. Go all the way around. Come back to where you started. Come to the center, or near the center at least, and give it a little tail that goes to the floor for uppercase Q. Now let's do lowercase q, friends. We're going to put our pencil in the middle of our paper. Magic C, helicopter up, submarine way down, and give it a little swoosh for lowercase q. You guys did such a good job with writing Q and making the qu sound. Now it's time for you to get some writing practice in on your own. Head over to Google Classroom to find out your next assignment. Mwah! I love you. See you soon, friends.